Today, to bring you this big bank look, I'm collaborating with Main Concept and I'm using their Thelma wig in a 613. To achieve this color, I'm first going to be using Rit Dye in Super Pink. If you guys don't know already, I color all my wigs using the boiling method. I boil a pot of hot water, and that's how I achieve the color on my wigs. Now, this is the moment where I dipped in the wig and realized that I don't really know if this is pink, but when you first dip it in, it is darker, and eventually it does get a little bit more lighter. So this is how the color came out after I rinsed out the Rit dye. It's kind of like a light purple, and that's not the color of Nicki's hair. I wanted it to be really pink, so I went ahead and I grabbed an alcohol ink, and the color is Flamingo, and that's gonna bring it to a nice, really pretty pink. Also, just to let you guys know, I did boil water again. This is not the same pot of water. I did boil water again to do the second dye process. As you can see, guys, it's way more pink than it was before. The alcohol ink just added that extra touch to it. I definitely recommend buying an alcohol ink along with the Rit dye. You can literally just use an alcohol ink, but I didn't know which one would make the wig more pink, so I just went ahead and used both. Okay, you guys, so I went ahead and I put the wig on my head. Simple, it's nothing I did that was extra. Literally just put the wig on my head. It has, I believe it has, let me see. It has two clips right here, one clip right here, and then another clip on this side. So I'm just now pushing it into my real hair. There's one big clip in the back, and there's also a strap. So I have the strap on, I have all the clips in, and this is how the hair came out. As you can see, it looks exactly like Nicki's, and it's so soft. I was scared because I thought that, like, because I put so much dye in it and hot water, that it would dry up because it's a synthetic wig, but it actually didn't, and it's so soft. I can like run my fingers through it, and it's not, you know, synthetic wigs are usually like really tangly, but it's not tangly at all. Like I can run my fingers through it. What I'm gonna do now is I'm actually gonna take it off my head and put some foundation on it just to color the lace again, so that it matches my skin, because you guys know I don't cut off all the lace. And then I'm gonna cut off some of the lace and use my Got2b gel to lay it on my head. I do to color the lace, ladies and gentlemen, I just put some foundation on the back of my hand like this, and I'm using Kat Von D's Lock It foundation. I love using the foundation I use for my face because it just makes sense, it matches. So you want to use the foundation that you use for your face. I'm gonna go ahead and just snap this back and put it on my head. Okay, so as you can see now, guys, the lace does match my skin. Gonna push this back and put some Got2b. I'm not gonna use real lace glue just because this is a synthetic wig, and synthetic wigs usually stay, I don't know, synthetic wigs to me is easy to lay down than a human hair wig, because human hair lace is just different. Clearly, like frontals and stuff, it's just like different, so you have to like really use the serious stuff to get it to lay down. But synthetic wigs to me, it's never been a problem with the Got2b. It's always been really easy. That's just my opinion. I mean, I use both. Sometimes I'll use lace cream, just depending on like where I'm going or for how long I want the wig on, because with lace cream it stays on for several days, like, and it's hard to come off. So if I don't want to be bothered with like having a wig on for that long, I'll just use the Got2b, even on a synthetic wig, it doesn't matter. So I'm just gonna go under like this. Lay this wig down on my head. Make sure that it's nice and snug. Okay, you guys, and yeah, this wig is done. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the back so that you can see how the back is looking. This is how the back looks. Hopefully no tracks are showing and y'all don't come for me. But this is how the back is looking. A little bit of tracks may be showing, but I don't think it's that bad. But this is how the back is looking. Okay, you guys, and that is all for my Nicki Minaj Big Bang inspired look. Hopefully you guys learn how to do this. This is so easy to do, like literally so easy. I'm so impressed by this wig, by Main Concept's wig. Like, I really do stand for Main Concept, but I've always liked Main Concept, aka Red Carpet. They used to be called Red Carpet. They still have Red Carpet wigs out, but nowadays I guess they're called Main Concept. Happy that I'm back wearing Main Concept wigs, and the hair is just look at it. It just looks so soft, and it looks like, to me, it looks like human hair. I wouldn't be ashamed to wear this outside. Now, you guys know I'm not a fan of Root. I don't really like Root. It's not something that I like. I just don't like it. I would wear this out and about, definitely to like a party or something, because I think it's really cute and fun. But you know, I can do without the Root. I would have rocked this without Root, or maybe just a little bit of Root. Let me know what you think below. I will see you guys in my next video, but until then, keep slaying.